Fine blue tie today. Quick LH portfolio update. Today's actually the 19th of June. Juneteenth. Market's closed. I'm going to pull 4 out, 4 in. But before that, quick disclaimer, reminder to everybody, this is for educational entertainment purposes only. And with that, let's take a look at current situation. All right, so LH portfolio update. Market's closed today. How are we doing? The LH is still way down. It is the losing portfolio. The pharma portfolio is actually catching the benchmark. This race here is probably more interesting than the LH, though the pharma is a derivative. The hantavirus is way down. Disappointing. Not surprising. It's a put. Going to have to wait till we get some news out of Royal Caribbean in another month. We'll see if this one can even get back to zero. This is a search for companies that have potential. These are companies that are typically well capitalized and they're looking for their next big product, and they have little or no income right now, little or no value, and when the company announces a success, the stock tends to shoot up, and we're looking for those. Early on we had some great success with it, and then later on we've just been watching these guys spend money. Stocks are going down. We regularly loop through this, look for companies that are better than other companies, and today we'll be swapping some of those out. Expected gains are in a huge range, but target of 100%. Currently, this is a losing portfolio, sad to say. So at minus 50%, we pull the plug, call it good. We're almost halfway there, so not good. All right, so current LH portfolio, we are going to be pulling these 4. Ding Dong, Euphoria, Grab-A-Gun, and SUI Group Holdings are going to be sold. I'll sell those on Monday. And then Ultimune, Genelux, Mulcuin Biotech, and Inboance Biotherapeutics. Those 4 will be added. So these 4 coming out, these 4 are being added on Monday. As you can see, we are running 25% below the benchmark. As you can see, if you look at all our holdings, they're all negative except for Rave. It's slowly going up. But let's take a look at some of the others real quick. The benchmark is doing great. Right now, it is the top portfolio. It is just Standard & Poor's 500 and this bond fund that we found. Again, this is a great portfolio. So the Aqua Blue portfolio, so a couple notes on this one. We can see we're not that far into this. This is from the beginning of the month. We're only 2 weeks into this. The numbers don't matter too much, but we do see we're split positive and negative, which is exactly what we expect. We've got a couple companies that are headed down. We'll keep an eye on those. If they go down too much, we'll go look at the sectors. The sector's down and the company's down. It's fine. The sector's up and the company's down, then that's an indication something's wrong. We'll go look at the news. We'll go look at the quarterly reports. If we need to pull the plug, we'll pull the plug. We'll either put the money in cash or invest in another similar stock in that sector. Maybe go bigger, make it a little easier. This one is Santen Mitsugoshi Holdings. This one seems to be extremely illiquid. It's just got the same stock price every day. The bid and ask are moving around. The bid and ask are quite a bit over this, but this is not moving at all. As long as the bid and ask are going up, I think we're okay. But if it just looks too illiquid, we might pull the plug on that one. Reminder to everybody, the portfolio matters. Stay diversified. This is not a diversified portfolio, the first one. And reminder to experiments like this one, the one that's losing money, should be a very small part of your overall portfolio. A reminder to everybody, follow the 2-5% rule on these small company stocks, in particular, highly volatile stocks. Make sure they're not more than 2% of your portfolio. Big company stocks, not more than 5%. Stay diversified. Stay diversified in the sectors, stay diversified in the stock. All right, and with that, we'll take another quick look at the rigs out in Nome. This is how they sit today. These rigs actually stopped mining gold when World War II started, and they have remained in place ever since then. So they are living museums on the outskirts of Nome. They're spectacular. Just left as is, sit out there and rust, and they've done pretty well over the last 80 years. 80 years of being abandoned in place. Crazy. Top of the morning, everybody. Wishing everybody a chew.